As society helplessly watches tech giants add AI into everything, Google has at least introduced some new AI tools that could help with work associated with scientific discovery. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to tech place. During Google I/O 2026, the tech giant announced Gemini for Science, a collection of experimental tools that can help researchers generate hypotheses, conduct testing, and understand scientific literature. Gemini for Science includes three primary features: hypotheses generation, computational discovery, and literature insights. As the name suggests, hypotheses generation will be the first few steps of the scientific method by digging through millions of scientific papers to come up with theories or challenges. In short, it'll help a researcher create a hypothesis. Plus, Google says the claims generated by this tool are deeply verified and supported by clickable citations. Once a hypothesis is created, researchers can move on to the computational discovery tool to put the theory to the test. Google describes this tool as an agentic search engine that can generate thousands of tests and experiments much faster than when done manually. Lastly, there's literature insights, an AI-powered chat that looks through scientific literature for researchers and generates more digestible versions through reports, infographics, or even audio and video overviews. There's also a science skills tool which can get insights from more than 30 major life science databases and tools, so researchers can perform complex workflows in minutes rather than hours. Google has already opened access to these experimental Gemini for Science tools. Anyone interested in these AI features can fill out a form on the Google Labs website. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.